I'm Seth Fenby from QUE Sales Inc., and this is a virtual inspection by video. First of all, what we have here is a 2005 model 36-inch Hydro Viking. We're going to start this machine up and run it. As you can tell, this machine runs out very well. Blades engage easily. The engine starts up on the first pull. This machine runs very good, so now we'll walk around it real quick. Deck's in excellent shape. No cracks or welds. It's in perfect shape. Your front wheel bearings and fork bearings are in good condition. This machine has on it a rock deflector. It also has on it one of those gates there to get grass from going in your gardens. Just pull that off if you don't want it on there. The engine is a 15 horsepower Kai series. As you can see, it's missing decal on it, but it's an excellent engine. You have 371 original hours on this machine. Has the ECS controls, which I will tell you, those are the controls to go with over the pistol grips. Keeps the stress off of your arms. The hydro pumps are in excellent shape, very responsive. Tires are 50%. The serial number is 524334. And this is just a really nice machine. The spindles are in excellent condition. So thank you very much for your time.